All right, this is for my Bronco 6G, guys. I'm inside the Lethal Performance four-door first edition Bronco in light and blue. We've got that blow-off valve spacer on here from UPR products. Some guys were asking how it sounds. So basically cruising around, you don't really hear it at all unless you actually pretty much get into the throttle and create some boost. And then once you let off the accelerator pedal, you'll hear the sound. So let's give it a shot. And it's not overly loud or anything like that. I like it. Sounds pretty cool, and that keeps the hot air from recirculating back through the intake. It vents to atmosphere. So we'll come around the corner over here, and I'll get on it one more time for you guys so you can hear it. But again, just cruising around at like part throttle, light throttle, you don't really hear it. It's only when you're creating boost pressure in that charge pipe. And then once you let off, again, it'll vent to atmosphere through that valve. Let's give it a shot. There you have it, guys. And you can pick these up here at Lethal Performance. We've got them up on the site. I'll put a link down below as well for you.